Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I know what you're thinking, guys. Is this really going to look good on me? Let me assure you, it really is. My husband has been wearing his Willit shirt everywhere, whether he is at home lounging, we're going to the gym, we're out and about running errands. He wears it all the time, and I just love how he looks in it. He wears a size large, and this is true to size, and this fits him so well. What I like is that this shirt is very form-fitting on him. It's not so tight that it's hugging every curve and giving away every detail of what's underneath the shirt, but it's also not loose and baggy so that it looks sloppy. He loves that it's soft, that it's breathable, and that he just feels comfortable wearing it. It also has a UPF rating, which makes it great for wearing outside, keeping your arms and even neck covered when you're hiking, biking, boating, fishing, doing all those great manly outdoor things. Whatever it is you're doing when you're wearing this shirt, you are going to look good. And if you have blue eyes like my husband, then this is really going to bring out the color in them. And that's just my point of view.